Welcome to week 16. We are almost done. This week will be the last assignments that you have. You're going to start off the week with a discussion. We'll talk about that in a minute. You will have assignment 27 and 28, which are going to be EHR Go assignments. The exam 5, which we will have, and make sure you review for that. So make sure you look at the past PowerPoints for those exams. And then our program learning outcome, common learning outcomes stay the same. So again, our exam's going to be over your serial unit numbering systems. It's going to cover our 2 filing categories, alphabetic and numeric, and make sure you know the difference between straight, terminal, and middle digit order. And then chapter 8 is going to be your indexes, registers. All of that's going to be covered within this exam 5. Okay, so with this, let's just kind of go to the week 16 topic. So you're going to go to your textbook and you're going to look up one of the internet links listed. And then when you do that, you're going to answer a variety of questions. And then for your replies to your classmates, again, make sure you answer one of the 4 questions when you reply. Okay, so then assignment 27 is going to be new patient registration, and this is going to be good for everybody just because it is good for, if you're HIT and you work in a small office, it's good for you to know how to register a patient. Same thing with medical assistants. It's always good to know what steps to take to register that patient. And then the same thing with patient check-in and registration. You're going to check in a patient. You're going to update that patient registration insurance and then edit patient information. So again, this is good to know the back part of the front office. So if you have any questions over your exam or the final coming up, make sure you review the review sheets and good luck.